Oh yeah, I'm feeling that bit. Really feeling that shit. Whoa. Really be smoking a lot of that gas, huh? Yeah. I've been blocking negativity. Say fuck 'em, I don't need friends. Mary J just a friend of me. No friends, only kin to me. Blood, love, rabbit since legit. Fan change, but you good. So yeah, part just came in today. Got that auto cooling here or whatnot. So let me go ahead and show y'all what it's hitting for. I'm busting this mud open. So I could have got a longer one. It's not that damn long, but here it is. Supposedly supposed to be like a pressure fitting line. Oh, that bitch sturdy though. Real sturdy. I guess this the code if y'all want to go straight to their site. I guess they have a site, but I ordered off eBay. But it's supposed to be a pressure fitting line. Boom. Boom. I guess that's the instructions on how to, do what it do. But I gotta, so I'm ready. Me personally, I'm just hoping it's the right size. It's a 3/8. I don't know what the line is for the smallest line on the AC line for the Honda, but we finna have to make it do what it do, or at least see if it's a fit. If it don't fit, shit. Either go smaller or go bigger. You know what I mean? That's all. But yeah, I'll let y'all see when I get off. Just stopped at Harbor Freight. You hear me? Got my little tool that I need, the tubing cutter. You hear me? We finna go get this business done on this AC line, man. And be a pro at this and not no beginner and shit. I know damn well I should never did no JB Weld, man. I should have at least searched something up, you heard me? And wait for it. But I couldn't wait. It's too hot to wait. I'm talking to y'all right now just because I want to get a little footage, a little video, you heard me? The little tool that I got, you feel me? Let it focus. Boom. That's the little tubing cutter. So we finna go ahead and make it happen. It should actually cut the AC line. I was gonna do some. I'm gonna have to cut that out, but I was gonna do some. Boy, I was gonna do some shit. But this is the right tool for the job. You hear me? Y'all get to see this AC right, cause I'm sweating bricks. You hear me? But I'll be back with y'all when I get to the house, to the cribble, and y'all get to see what it's in for you. Feel me? Hey. So I decided I'm gonna have to take this headlight off, you feel me? Just so I can get some better footage for y'all, so y'all can see what I'm doing. We came, that's good. Go in there and find that stuff real quick. We all make mistakes, but now we doing this the professional way, so getting it in. But man, it's crazy. But that's the price you pay. Let's get this bit fixed. So once I get this headlight off, you heard me, it's gonna go back to normal. I messed up some of my videos. GoPro kinda zoomed through, fast forward or whatever, time lapse, you know what I mean? But yeah, I slowed it down in ways, but sound still didn't sound the same. So yeah, this is the line that I had to cut. Trying to see how I'm finna cut it, see how long I need it. I'm gonna clip y'all right here so y'all can be with me. Yeah. Gotta see how far we needed to go, and like, oh, we needed to actually go a good little distance. Let's see what we. So as y'all may see, this is where I'm gonna need the line to hit and connect right here. Boom, boom. So the line checks out as a good length. So I'm gonna go and take it from right here. Boom. And start cutting. Get back with me. So yeah, I'm gonna cut as much as right close to here as possible, because I know the line gotta go a good little distance into. So yeah, the line ain't fit. I guess I got the wrong size. This is a 3/8. I guess I gotta get a 5/16. But I'm still gonna keep this because I do fix on cars. I might as well keep it. It's gonna come in handy anyway. And I'm gonna just go ahead and get a compressor fitting, just a 2-sided one from AutoZone or O'Reilly's. One of them costs like barely $6 and some. So I'm gonna go there tomorrow. And as for the line, I'm just gonna go to U-Auto Pull It. Once again, you feel me? Go get it off of that same Honda that's there. Cut it dang near close to the other line, just way longer than the little piece that I cut off. You heard me, to make it fit to this. But I'm not gonna put it to this. I'm just gonna get the fit in and connect it and make it a all metal line. I keep my other little small piece that I had cut originally off the car, and you know, go from there. So this gonna fix it tomorrow with the little small compressor fitting plus the line, and then you know, that'll fix it so I can have AC. Fuck it, I need AC. So I'll be back with y'all in the morning. You heard me? Bright and early. We gonna U-Auto Pull It. My shit look way better than this shit. You know what I mean? My shit was clean, even though it was clean as fuck. So it wouldn't, you know. But I assume this where they'll be, where they'll probably want to put it.
They're gonna focus. Oh, it's a focus.
But shit, I think it's been too long. My car was lifting. You know what I mean? Yeah. I didn't bring my GoPro. So yeah.
That's a layer.
Nah, that's Lancer. It just don't got none of the front pieces. But yeah, should be down here somewhere. Hopefully they ain't pull it out. I'll pull it off since it's already then stripped down and all that stuff. But regardless, I can find me another one. It is one. The bumper is actually laying on the ground a little bit. It was either this lane or that lane over there. Here go a Honda right here. Hopefully they ain't replace it out of from to this one. Cause it's either right here or right here. Huh? Nah, that don't fit on my bumper. I got a different bumper.
You can't take this off?
Yeah, it pops off, but I don't fit on my bumper. See, this is where I need it at, right here. But my frame is bent up. I need it right there, though. So, let's see. Let's go walk and shit. Ooh, it got the wing.
What?
Come see.
Oh, I see it.
You think it'll fit?
It should. How do you take it? You're gonna have to drill into your car, though.
I know. This is a sedan, but
Honda is a
I'm trying to see if it's close to where I can look. There go the line right here.
Where's the damn the whole front off?
Yeah,
It's
look.
easy.
Yeah, and that's it right here. Boom, bam. Because this around where I had cut right here.
Yeah.
And I can cut this one and try to
What's
get that
this?
real quick. Huh?
This it?
Yeah, this is the other piece that screws in.
Oh.
So I should do this one instead of looking for the original one.
Because you trying to be hot.
Yeah.
I mean.
It wouldn't matter if it's a sedan or not, right? Do y'all think so? It wouldn't matter. I don't think it would matter. Everything around 1 and 1. I think it's right here where I need to cut. Huh?
Damn, they got coolant in there.
Crazy. They got some shit in here, boy. They took full front suspension, everything. They said, fuck this bitch. Get you a little further back. I can cut a little more. I can cut a little more if I need to.
Ain't nothing in that line?
It's off. And then I'm gonna have to cut it anyway because I'm cutting it the wrong way from the part that I'm actually using. That groove supposed to be, you know. So that when I get it home, I can cut a little inch off of that more. Alright, probably wouldn't matter. I don't know. This more room I had to cut on this one than I had on my car because of the frame being, you know, kind of bent. It should be cut.
It is, I seen it. Holy crap.
So, and that should be where I need it if I maneuver it and all that shit. Boom, bam, it should meet up. So we got that. So we got the. Okay, yeah, we back at it. So I cut as far as to this. So I would have to cut a little more line off of this to match it. But that's our line. Run it and boom, bam. It's gonna go behind there and up there still. But that's gonna be our line. So gotta go ahead and cut that. But first, let me cut this groove off because I cut it the wrong way. But yeah, I'm gonna clip y'all up here so y'all can see good. So I got one side on. Gonna go ahead and do this other side real quick and let y'all see what is hidden for the when I finish. Yeah. I'll let y'all see a time lapse. So yeah, this is where I'm at now. Just gotta get some Freon and do that mod. So since the line that I brought was too big, I went on ahead and got a pressure fitting. And there's the line from U-Auto Bullets. Running the same way, just cut it off around where I needed it. And boom, there it is. Line fixed. JB Weld, no more. That can be a thumbnail. At least part of my picture for my thumbnail. But yeah, no more big glob of JB Weld. Like that mud was leaking. See, it was too soft. It was leaking in other spots, just gaining holes throughout that mud. But we got that mud on. But yeah. Okay, y'all, you heard me. It is the next day. Finna give y'all a little update. You heard me? AC been running fine. I've been going places and stuff. You know, I did a lot rather than AC, but just, that's another video's time. But yeah. So I turned it on. It's blowing the cold air. I'm gonna turn it down. we're gonna go put the gauge on it real quick, just so y'all can see. So I'll show y'all. There's the little gauge in the pan. We're gonna just put it on there and just get a simple little reading. And that's it. So, still reading good. Still good stuff. Pressure is running, so you know this is our little place right here. Like that line here. Well, from that line, and it's ran all the way, like right there. The line. Yeah, we're gonna go and take it off. Oh, it's good.
Yeah,
we in that mud. Got AC now, so the truck
me with that
that I'm
fuck
finna
shit.
take
I've been
it
trying
from,
to
it's
catch
gonna
a
be
bag,
cool.
but
It's
not a
gonna be
legal way.
smooth.
Pay stubs,
You know,
documents,
still
copying
know my
all that
window
legal
don't
pay.
work over
Yeah, I'm not
here,
worth
but
them ankles. Scooping
got
over
AC,
with,
we don't
now I
need it to
work
work.
my wrist. Ain't talking
Like we
drugs,
do,
I'm
but
shit gon'
want
shout
it
me
to
out.
work.
Don't
But
play around in my
see
J's
y'all
getting
next
dirty
time,
like
you heard
Boosie,
me?
bitch, wipe me down.
Marley, and I'm out of here, yeah.